The place, but I haven't really tried it. I can't really say that I've gone there and trained, but I've seen the facility and it's really nice. And what's amazing about Easy Gym is it's 24 hours. So, you know, a lot of time people say fitness ke liye time nahi milta hai. So now we're giving you a 24-hour gym, which, you know, has state-of-the-art facilities and affordable pricing.
Very true. I think Jackie sir wanted to say something.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting us. Easy Gyms is something which I've used personally when we were shooting for Bell Bottom and Gunpath in UK. I used to go regularly there. I think it was very, very cool. There was, you know, you go online, you get your membership, and you can punch in your code and you walk inside.
Is it that easy?
It is that easy, and they have the best equipments. So I've experienced it myself. So when Mr. Maria told me about Easy Gyms coming to India, I thought that it goes perfectly well with our ethos. And I feel the fitness industry is around 16,000 crores. So hopefully we can work hard and get a good amount of market share in the country.
You know, if you read the statistics, if you follow the statistics, laundry is a 2.5 lakh crore industry, and out of which 95% is unorganized. And it is really growing at a very fast rate. It's just about 5 to 9% which falls under the organized sector, and which is expected to grow. And I think with the kind of consumer demands, the younger generation is looking at the newer generation is looking at an organized way of doing laundry, and that's what really caught our eye. And Fiversec, hence, you know, came into play.
Also to add to Rakul, Mr. Maria spoke about entrepreneurship, right? So brands like Fiversec, Blends Coffee or Easy Gyms will give birth to a lot of young entrepreneurs who are looking to do, you know, plan their future. And because it's a 2.5 lakh crore market, there is a lot of scope to grow. So you'll see, hopefully, that a lot of young entrepreneurs are born thanks to Invasion Brands, and that's what we are really excited about also, because we believe in that. And Blends Coffee.
We're both
Can I go?
coffee. Yeah, please.
पूछना पड़ता है. So Blends Coffee, the beauty about, as in, I'm a coffee addict, and I love coffee. That's the only vice I have. The beauty about the whole, you know, coffee shops like Starbucks and, you know, cafe coffee days of the world, it's already a 3 to 4,000 crore market amongst the popular brands, and again the unorganized sector would be some, you know, 2-3,000 crores more. So there's a huge scope for Blends Coffee to come in, because Blends Coffee is known for, you know, community building. It's known for, of course, interesting coffee. But it's also known, like Matcha they were the first one to do it. They have, you know, premium hot chocolate, Belgian hot chocolate, and so on and so forth. So there's something for everyone in Blends Coffee. And especially, हमारी जो हिंदुस्तानी टेस्ट है, उसमें अगर फ्लेवर नहीं आता है तो मज़ा नहीं आता है. So I think Blends Coffee will make. We are not here in the capacity of just brand ambassadors. That of course will go without saying, but we are also investors.
In India, Mumbai. First one in Chandigarh. First one in Chandigarh, and then very soon in Mumbai as well. And coming to your question of, you know, we have the Bokas and the Bujis of the world, but I think we've had many chains even way before that, and irrespective, in spite of that, these two brands that we're talking about really blew out of proportion. So there's always space for comfort coffees, a great place to hang out. I think it's the vibe, it's the service, it's the warmth, and obviously what's on the menu that makes it different. And I think that's our endeavor, to create a balance of indulgence and health, so that it and warmth, you know, to begin with. And where is it?
You know, cinema is our passion, and cinema is what has given both Rakul and me an identity. And we eat, sleep, breathe cinema. And all the other brands जिसके बारे में आपने बात किया, उम्मीद यही है कि ये सारे ब्रांड्स अच्छा करें. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज होता है क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग. सो पीपल शुड बी हैप्पी. Progress and money is a byproduct of that.
Yeah, I think he's covered most of it. Of course, I think, and just to add, we're doing these partnerships and everything that we're doing when it comes to being investors. Our areas that we're really passionate in, whether it's fitness, whether it's coffee, whether it's our other brands, we're really passionate. And like Jackie said, that it's all about bringing your passion to life and client servicing and creating that impact. So that's our endeavor. Now, उसके बाद फिर अच्छा हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
Partners in true sense, in personal life and professional life, and both of us think correct, in the same direction. We are very, very progressive in terms of growing, our net worth and so on and so forth. But the primary thing which both of us feel that whatever we get attached with should be good, should do good for people, and like I said, the byproduct will be the business. But yeah, this time it was my suggestion.
And to add to what you said, I think independently, even before we came together, both of us have been investors independently. And I think what Jackie said, that our thinking matches, our vision matches, and hence, this. But yes, this conversation, Jackie.
I eat, sleep, breathe, talk, fitness, because मुझे कभी भी वापस 150 किलो का नहीं हुआ. So मेरा जो भी experience रहा है over the last 15-20 years of working out is that कोई shortcuts नहीं होते. मतलब जो रकुल ने कहा कि आपको सुबह उठ के जिम पहुंचना ही पड़ेगा, और फिर उसके बाद आप 23 आवर्स में भी क्या कर रहे हैं वो बहुत जरूरी है. और तीसरा, of course we all know that social media is about user generated content. So every user is generating the content. So I would suggest you should not follow blindly to everyone. Pick your guru and then follow one person, because if you follow 10 people, सबके एक fads होते हैं, right? You cannot, carry everyone's fad. So that's what I would say.
I think just to add, authenticity of whom you're following is very, very important. There's a lot of information, but like Jackie said, identify the people who are speaking the right thing and follow that motto, and there's no shortcut. I think in general to have a routine is very important, and you said one thing that we really swear by. One thing that we really swear by is your abs are made in the kitchen. You are what you eat. And we are very particular, or at least try to be, that we do not eat certain kinds of foods, and we eat everything. फिर लोगों को लगता है अरे फिर जिंदगी में मजा क्या है, but हम सब खाते हैं, बस फ्राइड नहीं खाते और मैदा नहीं खाते और चीनी नहीं खाते. But that doesn't mean हम पराठा नहीं खा सकते, या हम दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी
बाजरे की खाते हैं.
Bajra, ragi, jowar, kuttu, all of that. So we are mostly millet consumers. But I feel, और अभी gut health के बारे में भी बहुत आ रहा है. So it's all about what you eat. You are what you eat, and that's, I think, a funda that both of us really follow.
मेरा मन है, because I know I would want to take Shahrukh sir to Blends Coffee because he loves his coffee. So yeah. If you ask me, मैं ये कहूँगा कि शाहरुख सर.